Whew. I'm in my feels right now. Guys, sesi ulomhlaba osonakele kakhulu where when a friend think of having a child, or when a friend saying ngikhulelwe, sesinikezana ama-advice ukuthi it's okay friend, if you want to keep the child I'll support you, and it's even still if awumfuni I will support you, ngoba phela kulamalanga thina abantu besifazane sesimithela thina if ubaba womntwana ukhona is a bonus. Sekukubi ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi we've accepted ukuthi abo bra bashaya puff and pass. Yeah, I'm really in my feels because ngiyazibuza ukuthi what happened to celebrating impilo, uye kutata umntana umxelele uba ndikhulelwe avuye, and then knowing that that person will be there for you every step of the way. Kodwa ngoku sesinalento uba no, if I keep this child I know uba ndimithele mna. Bafethu, asisena faith kini kangako ukuthi sesisafika lapho, bobhuti bethu, ma boyfriend ethu, bomalume bethu, banta bethu. Ukuthi nje asisenathemba lokuthi nina you wanna be part of your kids' lives. Yeah, rough.